In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy from Lively. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in lively.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Lively. So if you want to see the products, what you have to do is click on this option shop that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to shop all the products over here. You can scroll down and you'll be able to see all the products available in Lively. If you do not see the product over here, you can also search for it. For that, click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in the product name and you'll be able to search for it. Once you find the product that you would like to buy, simply click on it. Now you'll be able to see more information regarding that product over here. You can also see the price and rating. So what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll have to select the quantity. Click on the plus icon in order to increase it. Click on the minus icon in order to decrease it. You can also choose the color if you want. Now after you do that, check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing to Lively's service plan. Now over here you can see two options, add to cart. You can click on this option, buy with shop, if you would like to use shop as the payment method. If you want to add it to the cart, click on this option, add to cart. Now you can see over here that particular item will be added to the cart. You can view the cart if you want. If you want to check out, click on this option, check out, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface of Lively. So what you have to do is simply fill out these informations over here. You can see the option for shop, PayPal, GPay, etc. You can click on the option of your choice, or you can also provide the contact details over here. Click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now also select the delivery method. Click on the field of country or region. After you do that, select the country or region over here. Likewise, enter the first name. Now what you have to do is enter the last name. Now enter the address over here. Now once you enter the address, also select the city. Enter the state and enter the zip code over here. You can also enter the apartment, suite, etc. Now enter the phone number. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now you'll have to select the shipping method over here. You can see two options, economy, expedited. Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, select the payment method. You'll be able to find various payment methods over here. Select the payment method of your choice. Here I've clicked on this option, credit card. Now enter the card details over here. Enter the card number, expiration date and security code. Also enter the name on card. Now after you do that, click on this option, pay now, that you can see on the screen. Now after the transaction has been completed, your order will be placed and you'll receive the order within the estimated shipping time. So that is how you buy from Lively. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.